Kids, just say no to catnip. It rots your brain and robs you of potential. Cats love catnip, and it makes them do crazy things, like trying to time the stock market, aka they attempt to predict future price movements. So a cat might say something like,
I'm gonna buy here because the stock market is going to go up.
or,
I'm gonna sell here because the stock market is going to go down. Meow.
sure, they may be able to detect a little seismic activity here or there, but frankly, who can? For the record, big dogs do not try to time the markets or guess what they're going to do.
I've got better things to do.
Only cats with names like Mr. Jinxie and Veronica Cat do that, and it's not consistent nor reliable. Think of the stock market like an elephant. Elephants are big, really big. And if that weren't enough, they have trunks and sometimes even tusks. They pretty much do what they want when they want. If an elephant wants to go left, it goes left. Here's a joke for you. What is an elephant's favorite game? Squash. Get it? Even cats are smart enough to know that they need to get out of the way if they don't want to become a furry pancake. Big dogs don't try to guess why the market moves the way it does or try to time their purchases for when they think the market has hit a bottom. Because that big old elephant can just keep going even when you think it should have stopped. Woof. Before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and maybe even like this video if you're so inclined. Who's a good human? You are. Woof.